If you watched my latest video, you might have noticed these two lying on the bench at the end, and this is what we're going to be fitting today. This is an electronic throttle body mounted on my C20, a spare C20 intake I have, and as you can see, it all just bolts up. There's no modifications here. This is from a Audi 1.8 TFSI engine, and it has the same 60 millimeter spacing, square, and I think a lot of Datsuns and like Nissans from the 80s and early 90s share that same pattern. So if you have one of those manifolds with that pattern, it means you can convert your engine to an electronic throttle body, and this throttle body will just bolt on. The opening is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna use a grinder to widen the hole before I mount this permanently. And then we need to mount this pedal. This is from a Mitsubishi pickup truck. Just a simple flat mounting surface, so it should be reasonably easy to fix to my firewall on the Datsun. So as you can see, I've already marked out the area that needs to be cleared with the grinder to make this match the opening of the throttle body. And also one other thing I had to do to mount the throttle body is I put some M6 helicoil inserts in here, because the stock Datsun uses M8 and the Audi uses M6 bolts. So either that, or you could just drill out these two M8s if you have drill press or something. So now these are all nice and clean. Now we're gonna have to make some gaskets for these, because I don't think you can get new ones, at least not for this. For the throttle body you can, but I'm gonna show you an easy way to make your own gasket. So what we're gonna do here is cut out a piece of this gasket paper. I'm gonna use the hammer and just using the bowl section of it, just tap around the edges, and the edges should just cut the gasket. After the gaskets have been made, the plenum gets hit the degreaser before being rinsed off to make sure there's no metal shaving or debris left that could harm the motor if sucked in. So that's it for the throttle body. Now we just need to remove the old plenum before we fit this one, and then it's on to the gas pedal. So that's the plenum and throttle body mounted. Really cleans up a lot. All of the idle stuff and cold start valves and everything's just gone, because everything will be controlled by the throttle body from now on. So now we need to mount the pedal, and just for ease of access I'm just going to remove the seats, because the ECU and wiring is also underneath there, so I'm going to need to remove them anyhow when we start to wire in the pedal and the throttle. Well people, that's all we had time for now. Tune in next time as I finish the install of the pedal and get stuck in with wiring. And as always, if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.